Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix auto delete verification codes not working on iPhone or iPad. iOS 17 brings several enhancements to make verification codes more user friendly. One of these new notable features is the auto deletion of verification codes for mail and messages. This means that one-time password will be automatically cleaned up once they have been used. However, you may find that the iOS 17 auto delete verification codes feature not working on your device. Don't fret, in this video I will tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is restart your iPhone. If your device cannot auto delete the verification code, there is an high chance that the issue is caused by system glitches. So in this case, restarting your iPhone can be your first attempt. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button, and same with the down button, and press the side button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. It can bring the settings back to their default. The VPN settings, paired hardware info and Wi-Fi password will be deleted and the contents won't be erased. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions and you are done. The next step is check for software update. Check for the latest version and update the iOS system in time. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. If there is an option available for update, click install now to update your system and you are done. I hope this solution will fix the issue of auto delete verification codes not working on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.